Hi there friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are looking to build wealth steadily over time, dividend investing might be just the right strategy for you. So what exactly is dividend investing? Dividend investing is a strategy where investors buy stocks in companies that pay out dividends. Dividends are a portion of companies' profits that are distributed to shareholders as reward for owning their stocks. Instead of just hoping for stock prices to go up, dividend investors also enjoy a steady stream of passive income. Now you might be wondering, why should I consider dividend investing? Well, dividend investing offers several benefits. Firstly, it provides a reliable source of income. Whatever you are saving for retirement or just looking to supplement your salary, dividend payments can help you achieve your financial goals. Secondly, dividend-paying stocks tend to be more stable. Even during market downturns, companies that consistently pay dividends often perform better than those that don't. Lastly, dividend investing allows you to harness the power of compounding. By reinvesting your dividends, you can accelerate the growth of your investment portfolio over time. So, how to get started with dividend investing? The first step is to do your research and identify companies that have a track record of paying dividends. Look for companies with strong financials and history of increasing their dividends over time. Once you've found a few promising stocks, it's time to buy shares through a brokerage account. After that, all you have to do is sit back and watch your investment grow. As dividends are paid out, you can choose to reinvest them back in stocks or use them as your passive income. Remember, dividend investing is a long-time strategy. It's not about getting rich quick in a couple of days, but rather building wealth steadily over time. By staying patient and disciplined, you can achieve your financial goals and secure a brighter future for yourself and for your loved ones. Thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to click the like, click the subscribe, and see you in next video update.